How do you envision the evolution of the RevOps function? What are some of the key developments that you foresee over the next 5 to 10 years?
Yeah, I think there are three specific areas. One is in systems, one is in analysis, and one is in management. So for systems, you can think of sort of the unit economics of business operation. Analysis is a little bit more of the understanding all of the data that's incoming through the organization from sales, marketing, customer success, IT, onboarding, offboarding employees. And then from management is also how are you organizing teams around this? So what I've even seen here in San Francisco is companies having RevOps roles in different departments. So it's not one for an entire company. If you have a specific product launch, you could have a RevOps role for that function. And it's sort of the go-to-market roadmap operations function that is in charge of the success of that product or category launch.